What's your wish?
But my wish is Daddy.
Wow.
Oh, your wish is Daddy?
Wish. But my
Daddy,
wish,
what's your wish?
Daddy, you want my wish?
Where? Did you hear?
Yeah, you want my wish or not?
Mm-hmm.
I got my iron. Want my makeup? Not till you wash your hands.
What about my wish come true?
No. Not a packet in there with my shiny new medal. I know who took it.
Who?
Who took my medal?
I don't know.
Mommy did.
Okay.
Oh, I did?
Get her!
I gotta get my medal back. Mommy, give me my medal back.
Here's your medal.
I'm sorry for talking to you.
That's okay, I love you.
From now on, I will be nice.
Oh, that's good. Hey, don't lift my shirt up. Stop. Go pick on Daddy, not Mommy. It's more fun to pick on Daddy.
You should pick on Mommy.
No. Tell me a story, Claire.
Tell me about the three moon races.
Come on now, pick on Claire. Let's all pick on Claire.
Pick on me and let's pick on Daddy.
Okay, pick on Daddy. We love you, Claire.
Huh?
Huh? We love you, Claire. I see you.
What was that?